With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello. So our question is solve the following inequations by algebraic and graphical methods. So first equation is first one. Let's see the first one. X square minus 8x plus 15 is greater than 0. So if we want to factorize the left hand side expression, so therefore we are getting it as x minus 5 times x minus 3 is greater than 0. So clearly if we try to solve it by algebraic method, then for algebraic solution we can see that x clearly lies from minus infinity to 3 union 5 to infinity. Now if we want to check it graphically, so let's draw the axis first. So this is our axis. What are the roots of the left hand side expression? They are 3 and 5. So we can it is basically a parabolic graph. So its roots are at 3 and 5. So parabola facing upwards, and it is intersecting the x-axis at x equals to 3 and 5. So x minus 5 times x minus 3 greater than 0. This means that they are basically talking about the positive side, right? So clearly we have to take the positive signs. If we try to assign the sign in various intervals, so this will be plus, then minus, then plus. So therefore clearly we in terms of graphical method, we can see that our required solution are the shaded regions which we are just creating right now. So this is one solution, and this is another region. So these shaded regions are our required solution for the given inequation. So now let's go to the second one. Second one is given as 2x square plus 3x minus 2 less than 0. So we have to find out the roots of the left hand side expression again. So therefore 2x square, first we try to factorize it. So 2x square plus 4x minus x minus 2 less than 0. So if we take 2x common, so therefore it is 2x times x plus 2 and minus 1 times x plus 2 less than 0. So therefore we can see that this is basically 2x minus 1 times x plus 2 is less than 0. So if we try to see it algebraically, so therefore the solution is x lies between minus 2 to half, both sides open, because there is no equality sign. So now if we try to look at it in graphical terms, so this is our axis. The roots of the equation are at minus 2 and half. So it is a upward facing parabola. So one will be at minus 2. So therefore the graph will look like this. It will have a negative y-intercept, because if we put x equals to 0, y is equals to minus 2. So therefore negative y-intercept, and then it will again intersect at half. So let's write down the solutions, half and minus 2. So clearly if we try to assign the signs, then it will be plus, minus and plus. So over here the required region is less than 0. So therefore this shaded region is our required solution for the given inequality. So now let's head on to the third one. So third one is given as x square minus 4x plus 5. X square minus 4x plus 5 is greater than 0. So we are trying to modify this equation a bit. So we can write it as x square minus 4x plus 4 plus 1 is greater than 0. So therefore it is x minus 2 whole square plus 1, which is greater than 0. We know that a whole square term is always greater than equals to 0, right? So if we add plus 1 to it both sides, that means this expression finally has to be greater than 0 for all values of x, right? So therefore we can say that x belongs to the set of all real numbers, because for all real numbers this expression will be positive. So if we try to look at it in graphical method. So let's try to first find out the determinant of this expression. So what will be the determinant? Determinant d is equals to b square, so that means 16 and minus 4 into 5, which is equals to minus 4, which is less than 0. So that means this, the equation, the graph for this parabola won't touch the x-axis, and since we can see that it is basically an upward facing parabola, so therefore if we try to draw the diagram accordingly, it is coming out as this is our axis. So our, what will be the vertex minus b comma 2a, so therefore that means it will be on the positive side. So therefore we can say that the parabola will be kind of like this. So clearly we can see that for all values of x, we can see that the parabola is assuming a positive value. So this is our final answer for this one. Let's head on to the fourth one. So fourth one is given as 15x square plus 4x. So 15x square plus 4x minus 5 less than equals to 0. So minus 5 less than equals to 0. We need to find out the roots of this expression on the LHS side. So therefore we can write x is equals to minus b. So that means minus 4 plus minus root over b square, that means 16, plus 4 into 5, that means 20, and 4 into minus 5, that's why we have written it as plus. So 4 into 5 20, and 20 into 15, that means 300. So 300 divided by 2 into 15, that means 30. So therefore it is minus 4 plus minus, we can take 4 common out from this one, so it will come out as 2, then square root of, okay, it will be 4 plus 25 into 3, right? 25 into 4 into 3, this is, so 25 into 3, that means 75 whole divided by 30. So if we cancel out, then it is coming out as minus 2 plus minus square root of 79 divided by 15. So therefore we can clearly say that x lies between closed intervals, since there is an equality sign. So closed intervals minus 2 minus square root of 79 divided by 15 to minus 2 plus square root 79 divided by 15. So this is our algebraic solution. Now if we try to look at it in graphical manners, so let's draw the axis. These are basically the roots of the these numbers are basically the roots of the expression on the left hand side. So if we try to draw the parabola for this one, then we can clearly see that this is basically an upward facing parabola with negative y intercept, and the roots are at these points. So therefore we can draw these. So one will be over here, it will intersect, and another root will be in the positive side. One, the roots are opposite in signs, so therefore we can say that this is suppose minus 2 minus root 79 divided by 15, and this will be minus 2 plus root 79 divided by 15. So we can assign the signs as plus, minus, and plus. So over here it is basically given as less than equals to 0, so we can shade this area as our required solution along with the boundary, because it is equals to 0, that means the points on this parabola will also satisfy the equation. So this is basically our final analysis. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.